Easy to kagad. No good. Rebound by Benoxky. Number 5. Sigaw. Number 18. To 13. Tumira ng 3. No good. Pass to number 12. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by De Los Reyes. Siglao. No good. Steal by number 12. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 18. First personal foul, first team foul. Unang tira, pasok. Second attempt.
Pare palagi akong passerelle ko, yung sa... Hindi, yung sa ano. Na kanino ba yung pagpil ng kami? Passerelle ko sa...
Sa Lindong. Yun na! Step back Sanchez. De Los Reyes, no good. Rebound by number 4. Good steal. Pero hindi ulit. Nakuha ulit yung number 12. Behind the back. No good. Number 8, good for 2. Who's foul rep? Foul number 19. First personal foul, second team foul. Too early, too early. Pasok. Tumirang 3. No good. Nakuha ni Siglao. Shadow. No good. No good ulit. No good ulit. Wonders Reyes. Easy 2. Binababa ang bola. Sa number 12. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 8. Good. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 5. First personal, third team foul. Tumirang 3. No good. Doggy. Finger roll. No good. 20-32. Sanchez. Hindi yan si Corina, pero yan ang Sanchez dito. Sigaw. Tumirang 3. Good for 3. Number 15. Si number 12. Balik kay 12. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound ni number 13. Sanchez. Sandong. Siglao. De Los Reyes. Tumira ng 3. No good. Foul. Foul number 5. Second personal, 14 foul. 14 foul na agad sa first quarter. Too early. Si Sanchez ang captain mo. Number 12. 15, tumirang 3. Good for 3. Salindong. Sanchez, tumirang 3. No good. Wonders Reyes, good for 2. Long 3. Stephen Curry. Bola ng blue. No good. Steal by number 5. Layup. No good. Number 12. Easy 2. Dikit lang. 19. Binababa bola. Sinlaw. Tumira ng 3. No good. Out of bounds. Sa pang possession. Hindi si Cedric ah. Sinlaw. Bad pass. Number 12. Number 2. Change 5, change 5.
Sundan ko lang ang provider.
Number 7. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound ng Gilla. Ganda ng pass kay Velasco. Number 2. Tempo pa lang to. Number 1. Pass to 22. Intercepted. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 1. Libre. Good for 2. By number 8. Velasco. Pineda. Tumirang 3. No good. Number 7. Number 1. Drives. Tumira ng 3. Good for 2. Points. 3 points no, Paps? Pineda. CC. Good for 2. Dikit lang, dikit. Number 1. Pass to number 7. Balik kay number 1. Bounce pass. 6 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Kickball ba? Bad. 7. Traveling violation. Same foot. Pineda. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nigi. Number 2. Number 1. Dalawa lang ang lamang ng Algiers. Easy 2. Bigaya lang. All 17 in favor of committee. Easy. Foul. Who's fouled it? Foul number 22. First personal foul, first team foul. No good.
No good.
Isa pa. Early pumasok. Pasok. Ayaw ng regular to plus 1. Number 3. Nagharap na game nila last time. Drives, no good. Good block by number 18. Number 8. Number 8. Tingeroy. Tingeroy na. Number 2. Last 1 minute sa ating first quarter. Spin move. No good. Pineda. Number 2. No good. Number 3. Easy 2 by number 3. Last 27 seconds. 1 minute differential sa ating stop clock and time. 1 second pa lang. 10 to shoot. Foul sa baba. Hindi pa. Who's foul rep? Foul number 3. First personal, second team foul. 10 to shoot. Velasco. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 7. First personal, third team foul. Sayang, nakalimang free throw na si Sise. Pasok. Bilang 4 to shoot. End of the first quarter. Score natin 23-19 in favor of Algiers. Number 5 to number 3. 23. No good. Layup. No good. Who's foul rep? Foul number 69. Paborito ni Oma. First personal. First team foul. Cross pass. Isa lindong. Tumira ang tres. No good. There's Reyes. Good for 2. Big boy. Del Rio. Bounce pass to number 12. Ganda ng pasa. Number 4. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 23. First personal, first team foul by number 23. Shooting foul. Unang tira. Sablay. Second attempt. Pasok. 5 na lang ang lamang. Bad pass. Bad pass by Deliela. Del Rio. Nilabas kay De Vera. No good. 23 Reyes. Sa linggo. Easy 2. Rivera. To the Rio, nakuha rin sa lindong. Steal, good steal. Pass to good two by Ryan. Tumira ng 3. No good. 22 Reyes. Sa lindong. Nilabas. Bounce pass. Foul. Who's foul rep? Timeout Campbell. Who's foul rep? Sorry. 69. Ay, hindi. 11. Foul number 11. First person second team. Unang tira, pasok, may Maynard. Second attempt. No good. 169. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 12. Tumira ulit ng 3. May lisensya yun ah. Good. 169 ulit. Block. Good block by 32. Sa lindong. Intercepted. Nakuha ni number 11. Bounce pass. No good. 17 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Nakuha ni number 12. 12 to shoot. Tumira ulit ng 3. Lisensyado. No good. Kabila. Ball. Seldo. Bounce pass. Behind the back pass tuloy. 13 to shoot. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 11. Second personal, 13 foul. Salindong, cross pass to number 30. Ryan. Behind the back pass. No good. Number 12, easy 2 by number 12. Tira, no good. Number 12, no good. Sayang. There's Reyes. Tira yung 3. Who's foul rep? Foul number 11. Third personal, 14 foul. Tira, pasok. Bugso ng damdamin. Pasok. Second attempt. Mabigat yun, tatlong tres. Tatlong tira. 3 for 3. Kami na big bro. Big bro. Good steal by Salindong. Tumira ng tres. Pasok. Score natin 36-22 in favor of Algiers. 15. Tumira ng tres. Bawi. Bad pass. Foul. Change lead, change lead. Change lead, change 5. Foul number 3. First personal, second team foul. Change 5. Capones. Joseph. Talk to shoot. Kickball ba? Hindi naman, di ba? Out of bounds na. Danilo. Capones. Spin move. No good. Nakuha ni Thiago. Bad pass. No good. Ronquillo. Pineda, tumira ng tres. No good. Foul. Who's foul rep? Wait lang. Foul number 3. Wait lang. Number 3, foul number 3. Second personal penalty. Pasok. No good. Score natin 37-25 in favor of Algiers. Reverse, no good. Same ball. 45, tumira, no good. Number 8, no good. Easy 2. Easy 2 by number 3. Ronquillo. No good. One Thiago, number 2. Foul sa baba. Who's foul rep? Okay. 19. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 19. Bumawi. Pineda, 10 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Bad shot. Capones, easy 1 by Capones. Bad pass ulit. Nagagalit si Captain. Hindi ang Korean, hindi Kay Sanchez, Captain Sanchez. Trying to shoot, no good. Pineda, pass break play to 27. Too strong. Number 3, lumipad. Kala ko, dadakdak na eh. Tumira ng press. Ah. Foul from behind. Who's fouled it? 19. Third personal foul, 14 foul.
Pag-isa lang. Hindi nga po. Pag last shot, time out. Dead ball. Okay lang.
Camel, warning for delaying the game. Timeout, Algiers. Timeout, Timeout, Algiers. Back to the ball game. First attempt. Pasok. Very important free throws. Second attempt. Pasok ulit. Naubos tayo. 27 to 19. Pineda, tumira ulit ang tres. Pasok. Lala.
Ay, mag-time zone ka!
45. Good block by Thiago. Pineda. Running three, no good. Bola ng blue. May tubig tayo dito sa gilid, ha? Magkano? 12 pesos. Pass to Pineda. Good for 2. 19 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Blocked by Thiago. End of the second quarter. Score natin, 47-33 in favor of Algiers.
Thank you.
Bola ng Camel. Number 12. Linabas, tumira ng tres, lisensyado talaga eh. No good, Juan de los Reyes. Villena, good for two. Number 12, Rivera. Bounce pass. 14 to shoot. Masyado matigas yung binangga. Stop and pop. Good for two. Velasco, pinasa kay Riquido. Foul. Foul number 3. First personal, first team foul. First personal. Ay, sorry, third personal, first team foul. Number 2. Correction yun ah, third personal, third team foul. Tumira. Foul. Who's foul that? Foul number 3. Third, 23. Second personal, first team. Try yung kanina, third personal na yun ah. Si ano? Number 3. Hindi ikaw. Kabila.
Hindi ako! Pumapagabuhan talaga eh.
Delos Reyes. Salindong, Velasco. Delos Reyes, foul. Foul number? Foul number 15. First personal, second team foul. Yun yung first personal is 15. Bad pass. Nice assist to Andrew. Timeout, Camel. Score natin, 51-35 in favor of Algiers. Back to the ball game. Number 3, ginagawa mga bola. Number 1, cross pass to number 3. Number 12, bounce pass, stolen by number 5. Bounce pass, nakuha ni number 5, number 2. Number 1, dire-diretso. Walang tawa. Number 3. Bounce pass to 23. Binalik kay 5. Balik kay 5. 23. Number 2. Number 12. Aliu play! Lumilipad! Fly, fly. Napakaayos. Number 4. Velasco. Pass sa lindong. Dos Reyes. Foul. Substitution. Who's foul rep? Sorry. Wala pa. Who's foul rep? Foul number 45.
11:45.
Warning for technical number 3 and 23 ng Algiers. Third team foul pa lang. Traveling violation. First personal foul. Substitution. Cooler said prevail tayo dito. Sports lang. Sports. Nailagpas yung 22. Acuna. Steal by Blasco. Layup. Number 2. Cross pass. 45. Kaliwa. Kaliwati. 27. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 69. Second personal, 14 foul. Contillo. Stayed away. No good. Steal by Velasco. Salindong. Easy 2. Forty-five. Tumira ng tres. Air ball. Substitution. Pasok lang po, pasok. Substitution. Pasok lang. Pasok, labas. Pasok. Sisi. Hindi nagsisi. Air ball. Otilia, Paso de Vera, traveling one step too many. Salindong, Tiago, block from behind, good block by 45. Bola. Block number 45 ha. Contillo. Bounce pass to Pineda. Fade away. To Ali Salindong. Libre. Bang. Number 8, nako, bad pass. Salindong. 3-pointer. Before 3. Up. Walang time out. Technical. Technical Camel. Camel, technical kayo ha. Wala na kayong timeout.
Kare, pagin lagyan ng technical. Tapos ang ilagay mo. Hindi, sa taas na lang. Technical tapos lagay mo sa overtime na.
Basket count. Bola ng Camel. Sorry, score correction, 66.
Technical, tapos timeout lagay. Nakalagay.
Good block by Teresa. Sila kami. Technical foul. Ronquillo.
Tapat mo lang sa parang.
Wala. Bali wala daw kay Manager Belok.
Okay, magpa-technical kayo.
Negative na yung deposit.
Pasok.
Kickback yun eh.
Bola ng Camel. .45. No good. Rebound by 18. Number 12. Ronquillo. Step back 3. Nine. Foul. Pushing foul. Who's foul rep? 18. Foul number 18. Substitution. Second personal, second team foul. Substitution. Pasok yung sisa. Pasok yung sisa. Labas yung lalabas. Easy two? No good. Maasin talaga yung Camel. 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Good for 2. Tumira ng 3. No good. Number 7. Bounce pass. Balikan number 1. Tumira ng 3. Air ball. Rebound. Juan Pineda. Crossover. Speed move. No good. Nakuha ni Siglaw. Ronquillo. Pineda. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 15.
Walang personal foul. Ilan pa?
Second personal penalty. Pasok unang tira. Number 11, warning for technical. Pasok. Isa lang, dalawa lang, no? 2 2 for 3. Tama ba? Foul. Foul number 9. Next mission. Fourth personal foul, third team foul. Tama? Steal by Thiago. Number 2. Foul. Foul number 27. Second personal foul, 14 foul. Number 7. Block, good block by number 19. Tumira ng good, rebound by number 8. 40 to shoot. 40 na lang natitira sa ating third quarter. Thiago, drives. Good by 2. Substitution. Who's foul rep? Number 7. Second personal penalty. No good. Yun nga lang. 30 seconds. So natitira sa ating first quarter. No good. 4 shots. 20 seconds. Same ball. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Tumira 3. Pasok. End of the third quarter. Bola ng Algiers. Algiers ball. Time to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 3. Ang taas tumalon. Grabe yung vertical na. Foul. Counted foul. Basket. 23. Pushing foul. Third personal foul, first team foul. Pasok, +1. Cross pass number 8. Ceci. No good. 20 number 7. Tumira ng 3. No good. Offensive foul. By number 3. Number 3, fourth personal foul, ha? No good. Good for 2. Good steal by number 12. Easy 2. Good for 2. Timeout. Camel. Cap. Third personal foul na si number 3 ah. Fourth personal. Number 7, 45, tumira ng 3. Pasok. Lumagana na. 45, number 5. Good for 2. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Salindong. Ceci.
Hindi pumasok, pwede na tawagan. Pumasok. Oo.
Dahil legit ko yung tubig. Kapag hindi pumasok.
Ha?
Legit yung tubig.
Oh, legit yan.
Number 7, floater. No good. 23, Villena. Salindong. Bad pass. Substitution. Pasok. Labas, pasok. Velasco. Lucido. De Guzman. Lucido. Intercepted. Number 3, Lipad. Good block by number 4. Foul number 3. Second personal, second team foul. Good block by number 4. Sayang.
Sino ba naka-block?
Papasok ulit.
Pasok yung ulang tira.
Nakapasok ulit.
Tumira ng press. Ganda ng spin. Good for 2. Lucido. Villera. De Guzman. Salindong. Velasco. Tinira bigla. The front shot. No good. Reverse. No good. Kuha na number ng block. Number 3, Lipad. Good for 2. Babasa 24 ang Kalamangan. Salindong, crossover. Double team, Velasco. Zero, Velasco, number 4. Umikot. Tumira ng press. Airball. Good steal by number 3.
Gusto mo yung steam na.
Lucido. To Velasco, number 4. Salindong, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Good steal by number 4. Lucido. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Sinagasa. Substitution. Pasok. Who's foul rep? Foul number 4. First personal foul, 13 foul. No good. Maalat talaga ang family ngayon. No good pa rin. Bola ng blue. Substitution. Substitution. Pass to Toquillo. Guzman. Good block from behind. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 45. Second personal foul, first team foul. Second team foul, sorry. First personal foul, second team foul. Pasok. Score check tayo. 87-60. Intercepted. 10 to shoot. 11 to shoot. Number 3, nagmamadali. Foul. Foul number 4. Second personal foul, 14 foul. Substitution. Number 2, stop and pop. Medyo kapos. 45. Drive. No good. Good for 2. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Last 10 shoot. Blue ball, black ball. Number 1, foul. Foul number 18. Third personal foul, penalty. Substitution. Pasok. Sorry. No good. Rebound by Aldrich. Velasco. Alley play. Good for 2. Score natin 89-63 in favor of Aldrich. Tumira ulit ng 45. Yun, pumasok din. Number 2. Third personal, 13 foul by number 45. Pasok. Substitution. Capones. Tumira ng tres. No good. Maalat talaga ng tropa natin Camel. Number 1. Pinug. Nabitawan. Same ball. Substitution. 6 to shoot. Alley-oop play, no good. Sanchez. Good for two by Sanchez. Siya na yan, K. Sanchez, Captain Sanchez, hindi Corina. Number 12, drives. Good for two. Balik kay Sarindo. Continue. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 45. Fourth personal, tama? Fourth personal foul, 14 foul. Fourth. Bad pass. Lumilipad talaga. Guzman. Bad pass ulit. Nakuha ni number 1. Easy 2. Bad steal. Steal by number 3. Good for 2. Guzman. Tunquillo. Siglao. Guzman. Easy 2. Oras natin, 30 seconds, 35 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Sayang yung deficit. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Tumira ulit ng 3. Pasok. 45. Tumira ng 3. Pambawas sa deficit. Good for no good. Score natin, double-double, 99-77 in favor of Algiers. Player of the game.